Hello everyone, in this short video I'll show you a model of the Mazda RX-7 that I'm making out of clay. Activity on the channel has dropped a lot, but soon there will be videos with crash tests where I'll smash a Nissan GT-R 34 and this very Mazda RX-7. I'm also making it just to smash it. This is just an intermediate stage of creation, and at the moment the Mazda is about 50% complete. I've already made the front part of the car, the side body panels, the roof pillars, and the rear bumper. I still need to finish the rear part, make the interior, the engine, the roof, the hood, and the wheels. The underbody of the car is also completely finished, but I covered it with clay so it wouldn't get damaged or painted over later. I'm making the car body very thin, just 1 millimeter thick even without a special frame. All of this is necessary so that the car looks realistic. I reinforce the body parts with foil, I glue it tightly, and in this way it helps the clay keep the desired shape and not sag over time. And I'm making the car body using a new method for me. I take a mold from a scale model of this Mazda. That is, I take a thin sheet of clay and press it against the desired shape, running my fingers over it. I press it to capture the exact shape of the original part, then remove it and I get a finished part. All of this takes literally 20 minutes, which is much faster than if I were to do it manually piece by piece. And this way, building the car is faster and the body shapes turn out to be very similar to the original ones. As usual, I make the car itself out of very hard NSP clay, and I also use blueprints, but they are different from this plastic model. The main difference is in the roof. In the Forza blueprints, the roof is higher than on the model, and here I don't know which is more accurate, the Forza blueprint or this plastic model. As a result, the roof on the clay car looks very low and I wouldn't want to redo it. I'll probably just leave it as it is, since I'll have to crash the car later anyway, and I don't really want to bother with a new roof. Well, that's about it. This turned out to be a short video, and you saw that work on the clay car is in progress. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. They don't come out often, but they do come out. Nothing has been abandoned, it just takes a lot of time. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.